everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about joining the Scentsy family in March 2020. Scentsy is offering a join special currently, and I wanted to share it with you because it's such an amazing opportunity. Scentsy will sometimes offer join kits at a reduced price. Sometimes they will offer join kits that are all amped up with a bunch of extras in it, and now they are offering a join special that actually was a special that they had offered years back, and they are bringing it back. So I love this opportunity for so many different reasons. So when you join the Scentsy family in the month of March 2020, you are purchasing your same $99 kit. But if you reach the Shooting Star Award, which means you are selling $500 US within your first 15 days, there is a special Shooting Star Enhancement kit. Now, normally you would have to purchase this kit. It is $300 worth of product that you would normally have to purchase. You can get that kit for free. This is such an amazing opportunity to really jumpstart your business, or even if you're just a kitnapper. I mean, I am not one to judge because that is exactly why I joined. So if you love the Scentsy product so much, this kit is amazing. So you are still getting that same $99 join kit, which is an amazing value in and of itself. But then if you sell $500 within your first 2 weeks, you get the Shooting Star Enhancement kit, $300 value, for free. It's amazing. So I wanted to share it with you. So what does that mean? So that means when you first sign up, that is day one. So you have $500 to sell within your first 2 weeks, 15 days. So a little bit, a little bit past 2 weeks. So honestly, if you just love the product so much, you know your friends love the product, you know your family loves the product. If you share it with them and you have your launch party, there's your $500. And that's something that is, I feel like, is attainable. Is it easy? No, it's not meant to be easy, but it is definitely attainable. So I wanted to share the Shooting Star Enhancement kit with you. So this is not your starter kit. This is besides your starter kit. This is the Shooting Star Enhancement kit that you would get for free by reaching that $500 within your first 2 weeks. So this kit includes 1 warmer, 2 mini warmers, 6 Scentsy bars, 1 of our brand new deluxe diffusers, 1 essential oil, 1 natural oil blend, 1 wall fan diffuser, 2 packs of Scentsy Go Pods, 1 buddy clip, 1 scent pack, 1 counter clean, 1 Scentsy Fresh, 1 body wash, 1 hand soap, and 1 scent circle. So this means sell $500 in your first 15 days, and you can totally redeem this. Now you have 90 days to redeem that once you have reached it. I don't know why you would wait past 90 days, but yeah. So all of these items, I don't know if you can see that picture. I don't know if it would be the same exact scents and all of that, but I mean, it's a great value. I mean, why not? I was gonna say it's a great value. Normally, you can see here, they've marked it out. So for Scentsy consultants, we normally have to purchase this for $200, but you can actually get it for free. So, I mean, it doesn't get to be a better value than that, right? So I wanted to share that with you. For those of you who have maybe thought about it and thought, well, I really love the product, but I don't know that I want to be a consultant. I don't know if I want to do parties and all of that. Like, I can tell you from my personal journey, and I mean, there's not enough time in a day for me to tell you my whole Scentsy story, but when I joined, I wanted nothing to do with parties. I wanted nothing to do with any of this. I didn't want a team. I didn't want any of that. I was super content with my dental assistant job, and my husband was working graves. We literally had the exact opposite schedule. I was working Monday through Thursday, daytime hours, obviously, you're 9 to 5, right? And then he was working graveyards Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we literally had a complete opposite schedule. So I loved the product so much. I was just like, sure, I'll go ahead and join. I figure it would give me, I wouldn't even call it a hobby when I joined, because I wasn't really wanting it to be even a hobby. I just knew I loved the product and I wanted to be my own dealer. I wanted to be able to sniff through my own testers and order the things that I wanted to order without having to contact anybody else. I wanted to just do it on my own. But then I thought, well, it would be something kind of fun on the side that I would have the time to do, you know, when my husband was at work. So that was something that was like a little something extra for me, you know. Obviously, times changed, and as I was loving the product more and more, I started sharing it more and more. And it was just, I mean, the rest is history. There's so much more to it than that. But I always say, like, Scentsy is the blessing I never knew I needed. And I'm not sitting here talking to you about this like, you have to join Scentsy, join my team, That's not me. But if you honestly love the product and if you want to be a part of a community, that's why they call it the Scentsy family. The people that are on my team, they really are my family. I mean, I get emotional just like talking about it, but like they're such amazing people. The people on my team, other consultants that I have met through Scentsy, the people and the relationships I have been able to create because of Scentsy here on YouTube, just through Scentsy, through the love of Scentsy, through the love of home fragrance. People at home office, like, it's amazing. It's not like anything else I've ever been a part of. I've been a part of other direct sales, and this is just, it's so different. Like, you go to World Tour, you go to Scentsy Family Reunion, and people at home office, they know you, they recognize you. And, you know, when you have an issue and you call into home office and you talk to consultant support, they're so incredibly nice and they want to help. And it's so amazing. So, like I said, I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. Scentsy is the blessing I never knew I needed. And so to be able to share this opportunity with someone else, even if it maybe opens the eyes to one other person, it's totally worth it to me. And to have this little added bonus, it's totally worth it. So I love sharing the different join specials with you, because even if you're just joining with no extra specials, it's so worth it. To be a part of this community and to be a part of this company is just something that's so amazing that I will never take for granted. I am so thankful each and every day for this company and this family. They really are family to me. I actually have blood brothers and sisters that I am not as close with as I am close with my Scentsy family. So that says something, right? Like, my Scentsy family will drop anything to come and help me if I need to, and I will absolutely drop anything to go and be there for my team and for my friends that I've met through Scentsy. So it's just something. Here I am getting all like deep and stuff. I wasn't planning on getting all deep. I just wanted to share this opportunity. Whether that means you are joining my team, join your consultant's team, find someone local to you. But what I would definitely stress to you is that before you do join, make sure you are researching your sponsor and make sure that you have that connection and you are receiving the help that you need from your sponsor. So they don't need to be local to you. They can be local to you if you prefer. But that's the beautiful thing about this business. You know, there's so many ways that we can connect as a team and as a family. So yeah. Anyways, getting kind of off track again a little bit. If you have been thinking about it, or maybe you didn't think about it and now you are thinking about joining, if you have questions, I will leave my contact information down below. Please feel free to send me an email. I'm happy to discuss what some of the requirements are with Scentsy. I feel like they're all super realistic. There's no like month to month quotas that you have to meet. It's super, super realistic. And like I said, you know, if you are someone who's like, I don't do parties. I don't want to talk to people. Like, I remember signing up and I was like, don't talk to me about parties. I was just like, I joined under my girlfriend she's not a consultant anymore, but I remember saying like, don't talk to me about parties. Don't talk to me about quotas. I don't want to attend team meetings. I don't want a team. Like, I don't need that responsibility. I just want my home fragrance. So, and that's what it was. Like, there was no pressure from my team, no pressure from any of that. But if I needed it, I know that the resources were there and that the help was there. So I loved that. And it was never any like pressury feeling. So I've always loved that. So the starter kit currently is $99, and that alone is such an amazing value. You get all kinds of goodies with that. Plus, if you do a launch party, you do reach the $500 within your 15 days, you get this Shooting Star Enhancement Kit for free, which is, you can't beat free, right? So I love that. I wanted to share it with you. If you have been thinking about it, or maybe now you're starting to think about maybe joining Scentsy would be something for you, whether it means you want some extra cash to go buy shoes or buy some makeup, or just to have some fun spending money, have a vacation fund, or just to have a hobby or something to call your own, then maybe think about it. You know, that's, like I said, that was something for me. I love the product. I wanted something to call my own. I wanted something to kind of take up some of this spare time that I had when my husband was at work. So, and man, has it blossomed. It has blossomed and become so much more to me than I could ever put into any words. Some of my best friends, I would not have known if it wasn't for Scentsy. So, and that includes here on YouTube. Like, I would not have this YouTube channel if it wasn't for Scentsy. So, and it has pushed me out of my comfort zone in so many ways and continues to do so. Like, this opportunity has really made me do so many things I wouldn't have done otherwise. So I love it so much. Anyways, gosh, I'm feeling kind of emotional today. So I wanted to share this with you during the month of March 2020. When you join, you get the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit for free when that is earned. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I got a little emotional deep there, but seriously though, if you do have any questions about joining and what the requirements are, there's absolutely no pressure from me, but I am more than happy to answer any questions, concerns that you may have with joining. Definitely feel free to send me an email. I'll link it down below. I am here absolutely anytime. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.